Hello YouTube, hello my viewers. Welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you the Parkside Cordless Pressure Sprayer 4V, and the model number is PADS1A1. Now first take a look at the specifications. As you can see, 4V, maximum pressure 1.2 bars, maximum tank volume 1 liters, and the delivery rate 340 milliliters in a minute, including the charging cable and a 3-year warranty. Move my coffee aside, let's open it up. Charging cable, USB-C. And of course there is also the manual in the multiple language. Let's fill it up with some water first. So exactly 1 liter water, a little bit more I see. The nozzle is adjustable. Let's give it a first try. Oh, it's on narrow now. And it comes about 4 meters, I think. 4 or 5 meters. And of course you can adjust the nozzle so you have a spray. Very fine spray. I have this baby olive tree here. Oh, that works very nice. I forget to give this water all the time. So that's basically it. Only thing is, you should not make the USB-C port wet. I think the machine won't like it. For the rest it's very nice. Show you some specifications here. Very light trigger. Weighs something more than a kilo with water in it. Very responsive. I hope I showed you this product in the right way. Of course it's your decision what you think about it. I'm here to show you the product how it is. If you like the video, please give it a like. Leave a comment below if you want to say something, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.